Imagine you're boarding a plane, buckling your seatbelt, and the aircraft starts taxiing. But when you glance at the cockpit, there's no pilot. Just a giant screen flashing, controlled by GPT-5. Scary, right? Or maybe thrilling? In this video, we're diving into the brand new GPT-5, released just 3 days ago, to explore whether it could actually replace human pilots. And don't worry, we'll throw in some humor to keep the journey from getting too stiff and formal. GPT-5 isn't just a souped-up version of GPT-4. According to OpenAI, it's the fastest, most accurate, and smartest model they've ever built. From solving complex math equations to recognizing images and even planning your vacation. But the real question is, when it comes to flying a 200-ton plane through a storm, can we really trust it? Stick with us until the end of this video, because we're going to break it down both technically and from a safety perspective to see how feasible this idea is. And by the end, we'll give you a definitive answer on whether you should entrust your luggage and your life to an AI pilot. Before we dive into the pilot talk, let's take a closer look at GPT-5. It was unveiled on August 7th, 2025, and became available that same day to all ChatGPT users across free, plus, and pro tiers. That means even free tier users get a taste of it for a limited time. It comes in different flavors: default GPT-5, GPT-5 Thinking for deeper reasoning, GPT-5 Pro for super complex tasks, and GPT-5 Mini for blazing speed. Its capabilities are seriously impressive. Advanced reasoning, fewer errors and hallucinations, better image and video understanding, and even customizable tone and style. Want it to sound like a stern pilot or a friendly flight instructor? It can do that. In benchmarks, it scored numbers that, on paper, outshine even the best flight simulator pilots. GPT-5 can analyze complex flight data, pick optimal routes, and even predict weather conditions. Computationally, it's got everything covered. But piloting isn't just about crunching numbers. That's where things get tricky. To control a plane, you need 3 key things. First, technical skills to navigate. Second, the ability to handle unexpected situations. And third, coordination with ground crews and air traffic control. GPT-5 nails the first part, technical skills. It can quickly analyze sensor data and make optimal decisions. But the real challenge lies in the second part. Emergencies often go beyond available data. For instance, when there's a smell of smoke in the cabin or a passenger has a heart attack, human experience and gut instinct can mean the difference between a safe landing and a disaster. GPT-5 can't yet smell smoke or judge decisions based on the color of it, unless it's hooked up to some seriously advanced sensors. On top of that, coordinating with humans requires social skills. A pilot needs to reassure passengers with a confident tone, negotiate with ground teams, or even make bold calls that break protocol. GPT-5 can simulate conversations, but it hasn't proven it can handle the psychological pressure of a critical moment like a human can. So, what's the final verdict? For now, GPT-5 can be an incredible co-pilot, but it's not ready to fully replace human pilots. Combining AI's computational prowess with human experience and judgment is the safest and most practical approach. The future is hard to predict, but with AI advancing so quickly, we might see a commercial flight in a decade piloted by an advanced AI system, with a human pilot just there to supervise. When that day comes, would you buy a ticket? Let us know in the comments.